healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car to my little job, and I find some peace in the stations that I throw on. But I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah, I wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah. And the moods that I hate, I tend to embrace. Wonder why I'm so opposite, I'm so backwards and upside down. I'm such a clown, but I've got no frown on my little face. Why am I so freaking cute sometimes, yeah? I'm such a drama queen, I'm such a drama queen. And I wish there was a song that I could make that'll make you strong. 'Cause I'm tired of feeling low and sad and depressed. I gotta move on. La 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 la.
Wild mountain always felt so pretty, and no one's sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. In spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always knew from the day we met I would be with you. The first time you said that you loved me too, couldn't pass without you. I'm hollowed out, so I packed my things and we moved down south. Shared a room in a foreign house. This will take some time, but that's what it's all about.
take me back. Take me back to that time. One good friend was in my life. California seems so far away from me, from me, from me. Made my first album. It came out the same day as Kanye's. I made my best single. Came out and felt so great.